If you are starting out online as a freelancer, Fiverr is the best shot to get started with. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create and optimize a professional Fiverr seller account in a very easy way. And the best part is this is done on smartphone. You don't need to get a laptop, you don't need to get a system, or you don't need to get a desktop. With just your mobile phone, you can create and optimize a professional Fiverr seller account. And I'll be showing you how this is done on mobile phone. So with that said, let's go to my screen as I show you how you can do this with just your mobile phone. So let's go. The first step to success on Fiverr is having a well optimized and a professional account. Now, many people fail as a seller on Fiverr because they have a shitty and unprofessional account. When starting out on Fiverr, the first thing you have to get right is your sign up and your registration process. So this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can professionally set up a seller account on Fiverr. So once you click on the first link in the description of this video, or you can just go to fiverr.com, you come here and you are going to be landing on this very page. All right, and the best part is that I'm going to be showing you how you can do this on your smartphone. So you don't have a laptop, no problem. All right, you can do this on your smartphone and you can create an account, optimize your account, create your first gig, and rank your first gig using your mobile phone. But in the case of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can just create your account. All right, in upcoming videos, I'm going to be showing you how you can optimize your account, how you can rank your gig on Fiverr, how you can choose a gig, and how you can make money on Fiverr without having a single skill. All right, that's the reason you have to subscribe to this channel so that you will be reminded anytime I drop that video. Okay, so subscribe and turn all bell notification so that you'll be reminded. All right, so once you come to Fiverr, you can just come here. As you can see, find the right freelancer service right away. All right, Meta, Google, Netflix, and PNG. All right, these are different skills on Fiverr. AI art, as you can see, AI art, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, social media, SEO, illustration, translation, data entry, book covers, and all of that. When it comes to freelancing platform, Fiverr is the number one. Like Fiverr is the number one. Right, the best part, everything, stick with your budget, get quality work done, pay whenever you're happy, and count 24/7 support. So guys, these are what you need. We got you covered: graphic design, digital marketer, writing. We are not here for this. All right, all we are here to do is to create a Fiverr account. Now you can either work with this interface or you can just go over to the desktop view, which is the desktop interface. All right, this way you see everything. So whatever interface you want to use is best for you. The first thing to do once you are here is to click on join. So you just come over to this very place, you click on this join right now. So once you click on here, it's going to ask you to sign up an account with your Google account, Facebook, or whatever medium you want to use to sign up an account with them. Okay, as you can see, success start here, over 600 category, pay per project, not hour, and all of that. So you create an account. So you just come here and you can just go to sign in if you have an account already. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a new account. So you click on continue with Google. You can use email. If you can use email or you can use Google. All right, and it's going to take you to this page and it's going to ask you to put in your email address and your password. So make sure your password cross these characters. Okay, at least 8 characters. At least one uppercase, one lowercase, and at least one number. So once you are done with this, click on continue. Then you have to get your profile started. Okay, add a username, okay, that is unique to you. This is how you appear to others. And you can't change your username, choose wisely. All right, username is something like this. Maybe when you are chatting with your customers, now choose a username that is directly proportional to your service. All right, the service you want to offer. Let's say you are a graphic design. All right, you can choose a username like Evans Design. All right, or if you are a video editor or you are a writer, you can just put Evans the writer or Evans writer, something like that. Okay, that's number one way to choose a username. Now number two ways is just choose a username that is just your name. All right, this does not matter. All right, but these are two ways you can choose a username. But if you are unsure or you are certain in choosing a username or you are not that clear, the best way to do is go to Fiverr page, search for the gig you want to rank on or the gig you want to offer. Then you can model username from that page. Okay, as you can see right here, build trust by using your full name or your business name. Now you can use Evans Design as a business name, maybe your name Evans Design as a business name, or you can use normal Evans as your full name. So I'm going to use my pen name, Evans Peters. I'm going to use my pen name, then I'm going to create my account. So if you are creating your account, make sure you leave an underscore right in between of the name you want to separate. It's just kind of to separate the two names. So create an account and your account is going to be created. The next thing they're going to do is that they're going to send you a Gmail verification. All right, go to your Gmail and you have to put in the verification code right here. So we head over to our Gmail right now. As you can see, Fiverr, activate your code. Then we are going to copy this code right now. Click on copy. We're going to come over here. We're going to paste it here. So it's going to confirm our code. As you can see, ever smitters, your account has been created. Okay, what brings you to Fiverr? All right, now our account is created right now. You can either come here and tell them that buying freelancing skills or selling freelancing service. All right, now if you are here to buy freelancing skills, that's okay. Now what brought us here is to sell our service. All right, and mind you, you can also switch from seller to buyer. We're going to click on this one. All right, next. And they're going to ask you what type of freelancer are you. You can either choose a sole freelancer or an agency employee. The reason you are doing this is because you want Fiverr to take you serious. All right. If you are telling them as a side hustle, that means you have other things you are doing. They will think that you are here to explore ways to make money. All right. Now this is why this sole freelancer and agency employee is best. So freelancer, you are coming here fully. You are coming here to put all in. All right, to make money from this platform. So freelancing, click on next. And they're going to ask you what is your freelancing experience. All right, now I'm just getting started. Freelancing online, freelancing offline, both online and offline. You are going to choose online. Now there are freelancer offline also, because there are many people who also do freelancing offline. Okay, because most of our work is coming from the US. All right, now you don't want to do offline because you are not there. All right, you want to do online because you want to be getting most of your gig from US and other European country. We are going to click on online, finish. Now this is what next right now. Number one is complete your seller profile, create your first gig, and publish it and start selling. All right, we're going to click on this very place right now. Complete your seller profile. You click on it. So guys, once you are here, you click on the profile icon right here. Then you're going to go to your profile. The next thing to do is to set up your seller account or set up your seller profile. So once you click on there, it's going to take you to the profile setup. So once you are here, you want to set up your account. It's very, very important, guys. Okay, so make sure it's on desktop mode. All right, you only access everything here on desktop, because if you are on mobile mode, you won't be able to access everything here. So make sure your phone is on desktop and make sure you are using Chrome browser. Okay, now this is your profile right now. This is your general profile. All right, it's very important. You have to set up a profile. You have to put in your display name. As you can see, this is a new feature on Fiverr right now. Display name is what shows around in your gig page and when you are chatting with your customers and your clients. Okay, it's a new feature. Now this is your general setup account. Okay, as you can see, you put your description, your language, your link account, and all of that. Now once you land in this page, the first thing to do is to become a seller. Hope you are seeing this right now. Okay, become a seller. You can also see it right here. You can see it down here. Become a seller. You can see down here. So we're going to click on become a seller. We're going to put it in a new tab. We're going to come over to this place. It's going to load up. So once you are here, as you can see, ready to start selling on Fiverr, here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile, discover the do and don't to ensure you are always on the right track, create your seller profile, add your profile picture, description, and professional information, publish your first gig of your service you are offering and start selling. Watch this video and make sure you watch this video so that you can know the terms and conditions and the do and don't on Fiverr. Now people are so fast forward, they rush into Fiverr, they don't go through the guidelines, they just want to create an account and start making money, and by the end of the day they got their account banned because they did not follow the normal procedure. So don't rush anything, just take your time and go through it. This video is a very short video, so you don't have to just think yourself. It's just 50 seconds. It's just 50 seconds video, so it's no big deal. So go to the video, then you come to continue. As you can see, what makes a successful Fiverr profile? All right, your first impression matters. Create a profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr, which is very important. Take your time in creating your profile. Okay, so click on continue. Your success on Fiverr is important to us. Avoid the following to keep in line with our community standard. with our community standards, okay, providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity, okay, opening a duplicate account. Remember, you can always create more gig, all right, soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr, okay, and requesting to take communication and payment outside Fiverr. These are important stuff. So when Fiverr cash you are doing all of this, you are going to get your account banned. Okay, you don't want to create multiple accounts, you don't want to meet people and start asking them for gig, and you don't want to receive payment as a Fiverr. So take note of this information, click on continue, and they are going to ask you for your personal information. The first thing is your full name. They are going to ask you for your first name. Put in your first name here, you put in your last name, all right. Then you're going to put in your display name, all right, Evans P. You can change it if you wish to. You can put Evans Design or Evans Design. Then put in a profile picture, all right. This is very important. So you want to put in a profile picture of yourself. You don't want to put in a dog, a cat, or a car. Select something like this. And so once you put in your profile picture, this is the place you describe yourself, okay. Now when we talk about description, this is where you share a bit about your work, your experience, your cool projects, what you have completed, about yourself, okay. Just it's like a short sentence about yourself, and it's just about over a minimum of 150 characters, as you can see right now. 150 characters. Now we want to use my own gig or my own profile as an example. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to search for my gig, and I'm going to search for my profile right here. This is me right here, this is my service, okay. I'm going to click on my profile, and we're going to use my profile as an inspiration for yours. So go to my profile right now, this is me, okay, and my average response time is just 1 hour, right? Great. Now this is my my bio, okay. Welcome, we are committed to your satisfaction, mass quality and swift delivery. I'm from Nigeria. I speak English and I speak English and Spanish, and this is about me, all right. This is about me, okay. This is what I'm expert in: video editing, video marketing, and video about video and viral video. So this is just about me, all right. You can copy this right now and you can model it in your words, all right. I'm telling model, don't copy, all right. I'm just giving you an inspiration. You can also look at for sellers in your niche to model what they are doing. So we're going to come to our Google Keep Note. I'm going to paste this here and we're going to model it, all right. So this is like a perfect bio you can use, okay. So we just copy this right here. We'll come back to our page, and we're going to paste it here, all right. We have our description ready. You want to come here and choose a language. I'm going to choose the language you speak. Don't speak what you don't know, all right. It's very important, all right. You can also add the level of your English. Maybe you are basic, you are fluent, you are bilingual, all right. Just click on fluent. I'm going to add a language. You can add as many languages as you want. You can add new language. You can add on your Spanish if you are good at Spanish, or wherever you are good at. Then you can add a level, put it basic, you add, then you are good with that. So the next thing to do is to click on continue. Then we are going to come to your occupation, all right. When you come to your occupation, as you can see, your completion rate is 30%. So we still have more things to do. So you put in what you do, all right. If you are a graphic design, then from what year to what year. According to our description, we tell them that we have 2 years experience, okay. You can just go ahead and put in from 2020 to 2023. That's almost 3 years. Then you tell them what you are good at, okay. You can choose 2 to 5 of your best skills in graphic design, okay. As you can see, we can just go ahead and choose book cover. Make sure you is what you are good at. Now come to our skills, okay. Now you might have skills. That means the skills you have, apart from the profession you do or what you offer, you have other skills. Like maybe you are also good at editing videos, voiceover. Then you come here, you had your skills. You can come here and choose from your skills, all right. Put in graphic design, okay. Graphics, computer graphics. You want to put in skills that complement what you do. Put in expert because this is your main skill. Add. Then you come to your education. You put in the country. Make sure if you are not a student, you can put in. Now if you are not a student yet, now you can just leave this blank, all right. You can leave it blank. University of Benin, just put in University of Benin. Then associates, BSc. Maybe you just put in computer science, computer engineering, okay. click on add it here. All right, you can add it here. Then you come over to this very place. The next thing is your certification. Now, if you already have a certification, like a certificate, maybe you are a graphic design, you went to a graphic design academic, or maybe you learn a graphic design skills and they give you a certificate, you come here and you're going to put it here. All right. And if you want to learn, if you want to get a certificate, now if you want to get a certificate, you can also go to Google and be certified. All right. If you stay subscribed to this channel, you are going to access that video because I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. But if you don't have any certificate, you can leave this blank. But if you have, you can just put in that yes here. Then you put in your personal website. This can also include the link to your portfolio if you want to. If you have any, you put it here. But if you don't have, you leave it. This one is not that important because you can send your portfolio to your customers or your clients when they are chatting you privately. So once you are done with that, click on continue. And it's very important you put in your certification. This way you are boosting your portfolio. All right. If you have, please do. I have right here, but the portfolio I have right here is on my normal Fiverr account. So if I have to put it here, it might be traced down to that. All right, so I don't want to do that. So just come over here, you provide your link down here. If you don't have a link, click on continue. So once you come here, you are going to add your link account. All right, now you can link your Google account to this very place, which is your social presence, and you can link your Facebook account. This is very important. All right, I'm not going to do this right now because I've already linked my account in my former account, and it is stated that you don't have to create a duplicate account on Fiverr. Click on connect. They are going to take you to your Facebook page of where you're going to connect your account. As you can see, Facebook, okay, Fiverr is requesting to access your name, profile, and email. As you can see, continue as Evans. If I click on continue as Evans, if I click on this continue as Evans, my Facebook page is going to be linked to my Fiverr account. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to click on cancel. Also with Google, click on Google. They will take you to your Google account. Then you connect your Google account and link it to your Fiverr page. So as you can see right now, you can connect any of these accounts to your Fiverr. So I will go back, click on continue. Then this is where you have to put in your email and phone number. All right, you have to put in your phone number down here so that they can verify your phone number. So just click on add phone number. They are going to put in your phone number, then you verify it. So once you are putting your phone number, as you can see, your phone number is private and your Gmail is private. Then you continue to create gig. All right, so once you are done putting your phone number, you click on finish. So once you click on finish, your account is going to be set up. The requirement is 65% because I didn't link my Google account and Facebook account to my Fiverr page. So once you're done with that, you click on this continue, this finish right here, click on finish, your account is going to be set up. So this is the easiest way on how you can professionally set up a Fiverr account. All right, very easy, very fast. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing how you can optimize your gig on Fiverr, how you can create your gig on Fiverr using my original Fiverr account to do this. All right, this is a demo account. That's the reason I'm not putting my private details so that my original account won't be traced and blocked. All right, and it's very important you don't create two accounts. Okay, so in my next videos, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a gig on Fiverr, how you can rank your gig, and how you can make money from Fiverr without having a single skill. All right, I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notifications so that you will be reminded anytime I drop that video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. So guys, this is how you can create and optimize a seller Fiverr account. Okay, I believe you found value from this content. If you do like this video already, and subscribe and turn on bell notification in this channel because I'm going to be dropping more videos on how you can create Fiverr gig and how you can rank your gig on the Fiverr first page so that you can be getting multiple jobs every single day. And apart from that, I'll be showing you some skill sets you can learn and you can offer on Fiverr, and how you can make money from Fiverr without doing nothing, all right, without offering any skills. I'm going to be showing you all this. So subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop these videos on this channel. All right, so if you want to learn more ways on how you can make money as a freelancer, how you can create your gig and optimize your gig on Fiverr, make sure you click on this playlist showing right here to access those videos. I'll be seeing you here.